comes off first. That comes off. That comes off first. But you take the grill off. You take this piece of trim off, and you just kind of work your way through it. Okay. I've never had a '59 Ford apart, so I have no idea.
You guys want some Ziploc bags for hardware?
Yes, please.
I'll go grab some, and marker. We'll go grab
Oh
some.
no, you can't have tools. No.
I'm gonna give you guys the cordless ratchet. Come on. I'm gonna let you guys have the good
Go
stuff.
get him a cordless.
They look like this.
Yeah. Grant and I are in grind and weld land. We got.
Okay, there are 3.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. The other 2s are SCTs that these boys are gonna be using.
Are we?
All right. Guys are getting the trim apart. Pull the glass.
Oh my God! I can't believe you did that. What did you do?
What'd you break, Peter? What'd you break?
No, we had a headlight fall out.
It's fine.
Where's the screws for this now?
I don't know. It looks like
Oh,
that.
they're in there.
They ain't there no
Looks like
mo.
you could, we got to take that out anyway, Peter. Just take it out.
Take the light fixture out?
Yeah, take it out.
It's all coming out.
It's all coming out. Rip it apart.
Grinding. How's the trim
metal.
removal?
We're trimless.
Nice.
Okay, a little bit.
Nice. You always got to have a little bit. Can't trim it all. Look at that.
Oh,
This Ford shit's all different
it's actually
than my normal
Oh, you're used to
Fisher
GM.
body stuff. Yeah,
You're used to Fisher body goodness.
that's right.
Tom is a Fisher body man.
The screw I lost is a Fisher body screw.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Weather stripping is,
Oh yeah, you're a Fisher body guy too.
yes.
Yes.
Everybody's a Fisher body guy. I've cut up plenty of Fisher bodies to make race cars.
Newer ones.
Yeah, like 70s.
Yeah.
Now everybody
those are
cares
the-
about them.
Those are the worst.
Yeah, well, I only need the front
They
stub
were all funneled into a GMAD
and the roof.
assembly.
Hey,
Hey, Bobby.
how are ya?
Good, how are you?
Good. We've expanded grinding welding land over to my side. So, yay, more fun.
Oh.
The fun. The fun. Allie's getting the trim.
But it's this one's fighting for just a teeny tiny bit. Come on. Come on, guy. Ready? Are we gonna pop or not?
Careful. Careful. Don't stab yourself.
Can I go up this way, maybe?
Easy. Hey, oh, I heard a pop in a good way.
Come on, guys.
Ooh, hey, there you go.
There's one.
Bonus.
This is like the only one that's holding the whole thing, and it's being a punk. Come on. Come on.
There you go. Go in there and give it just a little twist.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Hey, Allie got it.
Winner.
Trim done. Yay. On that side. Hey, got a whole side over here.
I'm trying it, but I don't know if it's doing anything.
Here, winner.
I lost one.
That's a good picture for. I'm gonna go check on Mr. Sen.
Straight blade.
It's becoming a whole complex. Grant, are you all right? Long screwdriver. Phillips. Top box. bottom drawer, left-hand side, I think.